When you launch HighDesign, the first window that opens is the Home view. This is the central place from where you can quickly access recent documents, open a project, or create a new project from scratch or from a template. You can access the Home window anytime you need it by using the File menu or, on the Mac, the button on the title bar. The Home window is organized in sections that can be accessed through the sidebar on the left. The New and Open buttons are straightforward. New creates a new, empty project. New projects use the settings of the last active project as their base. Colors, units, and basic project options are set automatically. The Open button opens the default Open File dialog to open a HighDesign DSN file or a CAD drawing, DXF or DWG. Recent projects. Browse a list of recently opened projects. Only DSN projects are listed. Select a file and press the Open button or double-click the preview to open a project. Templates, only available in HighDesign Pro. This section contains the built-in and user templates. There are a number of pre-made templates ready for use, and you can create your own by simply saving any document as template. Examples contain sample projects that you can open to explore the features and the possibilities of HighDesign. The What's New section shows a summary of the new features in the current version. Recovered. This section lists any auto-saved files that may be detected when the application launches. If you need to open a recovered file, select it from the list and press the Open button. Important, note that auto-saved files are not retained after the application quits, so any recovered file that is not opened and saved when detected will be lost. You can access the recovered section at any time during the session. Keep in mind that when the application quits, auto-saved files are automatically removed unless they have been recovered. The last group of toolbar items gives you quick access to the application settings that you use to adjust the global preferences of HighDesign, Guided Tour, and the Quick Start Guide. Guided Tour starts a tour of the user interface of the main project window in which you can learn about the functions of each area of the project window. The Quick Start Guide button opens the web page of the HighDesign Quick Start.